Each of BMW's manufacturing facilities is assigned a number. Leipzig, Plant 7. Steyr, Plant 5. South Carolina, Plant 10. But ask anyone about Plant 0, deep inside BMW's Research and Innovation Center in Munich, and they've never heard of it. Surrounded by engineering buildings, protected from prying eyes, Plant 0 builds the very first versions of each new BMW Group model by hand.
Plant 0 is in principle the second name for the experimental vehicle shop. Everything for the new cars is worked out here, and then the cars can go with the best quality in the series production plant. For example, our new 7 Series in Plant Dingolfing.
The people who work in Plant 0 have an encyclopedic knowledge of how a BMW should be built. These associates are putting together the frame of a very early prototype by hand. And not only are they building prototypes of future vehicles, they're building prototypes of the way these vehicles will be built.
What's important here are these weld spots. What we do here will be adapted later onto series production in the plant.
This associate is guiding a robotic head as it works on a more fully developed prototype. Once best methods are determined, the data is used to program the hundreds of robots in the manufacturing facility. Around 100 associates from the factory where the vehicle will be built spend several months right here.
I come from Spartanburg, South Carolina, and we work there at Plant 10, and we come over here and work with the research and development team to make sure we can manufacture the vehicles that are designed. At the end of the day, it's important that the production facilities and the design teams here in Germany come together for the information exchange. It improves the quality of the vehicle and also speeds the process in problem solving.
To help ensure the highest quality standards, a rare prototype is milled from a solid block of aluminum. This is the Zero vehicle, deadly accurate in all its dimensions. Its purpose? To check that every part on the vehicle, even the windshield fluid cap, fits the body exactly to plan. Before prototypes can go out for worldwide testing, they are all disguised here in Plant 0. Until recently, camouflage took the form of metal and plastic panels screwed into the body. But that made it difficult to do sensitive aerodynamic testing. So BMW came up with a better solution. Today, the vehicles are disguised with foam and pattern sheeting that also happens to confuse ubiquitous spy cameras.
Here we have a prototype covered in hard camouflage. This hard camouflage creates significant problems. We have to attach it to the body of a vehicle with screws which make holes in the body. Here we have a new innovation, a new BMW innovation. In future, we'll plaster the prototype with decal sheeting. It enables us to conceal the body during test drives, so we benefit from improved test results and more efficient materials.
Testing may reveal that a part needs to be modified quickly. Enter the Rapid Prototyping Center within Plant 0. First, the part is simulated using advanced CAD software. Then, advanced rapid prototyping equipment shapes the part layer by layer. BMW is a pioneer in the use of rapid prototyping to create real working parts out of metal and aluminum.
We are, I think, really one of the first company who does this with aluminum parts. If we have a change in the design, we are able to supply the actual design level 3 days after the design change. That's really fast, and never before we were able to supply aluminum parts for the prototype build.
BMW is constantly innovating for higher quality. Plant 0 was the first prototype plant of its kind. It's unique in the industry. And that solid aluminum mystery vehicle? You see it on the road a few years from now.